Hello guys, welcome to my channel. How are you? Hopefully my friends and viewers will be fine, okay, doing well. I'm also good, alhamdulillah, thanks of my Allah. So let's back to video. Today I'm going to share with you very impressive and very attractive ideas, cutest ideas and stylish ideas. Top trending fashion and top stylish fashion about beautiful short pixie hair cutting and hairstyling ideas for ladies and girls, and for those ladies who love to apply these are beautiful hair cutting ideas. So please watch my video till the end. You can see in this video different styles, different designs and different look short pixie hair cutting ideas. So please don't skip my video. And don't forget sharing this video with your family and friends. It's all are amazing, it's all are fantastic and fabulous ideas, cutest ideas about beautiful and latest short pixie, long pixie, shaggy pixie, edgy pixie, messy pixie and spiky pixie also. What you want to see in the next video, comment me in comment section. You can see in this video latest ideas and latest version about beautiful short pixie, long pixie, shaggy pixie, edgy pixie, messy and spiky pixie also. So don't skip my video and don't forget sharing this video with your family and friends. It's all our amazing and latest ideas, latest fantastic cutest ideas, stylish ideas, top trending fashion and amazing fashion, short pixie hair cutting and hairstyling. Wow, it's fantastic and beautiful outstanding ideas about short pixie, long pixie, shaggy pixie, edgy pixie, messy and spiky pixie also. So don't skip my video, don't forget sharing this video, don't stop and don't avoid, don't ignore these are beautiful ideas because it's all our latest ideas about beautiful short pixie hair cutting and hairstyling ideas. It's a wonderful ideas, it's a latest fashion, latest version, latest stylish ideas about beautiful short pixie. So don't skip my video and don't forget sharing this video with your family and friends. It's fantastic and fabulous short pixie, long pixie, shaggy pixie, edgy, messy and spiky also. It's fantastic and fabulous and dashing ideas. Short pixie hair cutting. So beautiful and so elegant styles about short pixie. So guys, like, comment and don't forget sharing this video with your family and friends. It's top trending fashion, top stylish fashion about pixie hair cutting. It's all are amazing and stylish top trending fashion and top stylish fashion about short pixie, long pixie, shaggy, edgy and messy pixie also. It's top trending fashion and top cutest ideas. Short pixie, long pixie. Wow, it's fantastic and fabulous. So beautiful and so elegant styles about beautiful short pixie. Okay guys, please don't skip my video and don't forget sharing this video with your family and friends. What you want to see in the next video, comment me in comment section and I will try to my best. Please watch my video till the end. Wow, it's beautiful and wonderful ideas, stylish ideas, cutest ideas, and dashing fantastic ideas about short pixie, long pixie, shaggy pixie, edgy, messy, and spiky pixie also. Dashing ideas, fantastic ideas, top trending fashion, and top stylish fashion about pixie haircutting. Cutest ideas and alluring, stylish, and also asymmetrical hair, asymmetrical pixie hair. So beautiful and so elegant styles about pixie hair cutting ideas. So beautiful and so elegant style. Just looking wow. It's a fantastic and adorable elegant styles about short pixie, long pixie, shaggy pixie, edgy, messy, and spiky also. So guys, what you want to see in the next video? Comment to me in comment section. Fantastic and top trending fashion, top ideas, top cutest ideas. So beautiful and so elegant styles, cutest hair cutting ideas, short pixie, long pixie. You can easily try these all beautiful pixie on your own hairs and you look like a beautiful girl like model and modern. These are all designs and ideas about beautiful short hair like beautiful western girls, American girls, and stylish top trending girls. When you apply you look like a beautiful girl and model and modern. It's all are fantastic and fabulous. Okay guys, now we have to go. Bundle of thanks for watching. See you again till the next video, next ideas about beautiful hair cutting. But please you don't go, don't skip because you can see in this video till the end many more pictures about haircut. Okay, goodbye. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz. Watch my video till the end.